Are you bored with your standard 9 to 5 job? You're in luck since we're about to talk about online income generation. You'll learn some tasty tips in this video for making money with your PC. No matter what level of expertise or skill you possess, we will show you how to make money online. Whether you have a small side business or a large enterprise, we've got you covered. Take a seat and explore the countless revenue opportunities available on the internet. Freelancing. Freelancing is one of the most widely used online money-making methods. When you work for clients as a freelancer, you provide your talents and services. Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are three well-known freelance sites. As the gig economy expands in 2023, we may anticipate more opportunities for freelancers. Working as a freelancer is an excellent way to make money online while developing relevant professional skills in your area of expertise. Demand for qualified freelancers is increasing as more organizations outsource their operations and use remote workers. Also, one of the most advantageous things about freelancing is that it gives you the freedom to work remotely. You can set your own hours and select the jobs that most excite you. There is a freelancing platform out there that is ideal for you. This is whether you're a writer, designer, developer, marketer, or another creative worker. You may create a successful freelance business that enables you to pursue your passion while earning money with a little hard work and dedication. Thus, it's worthwhile to consider freelancing if you're looking for a means to earn money online. Start establishing your profile by looking at some of the well-known freelance sites. Who knows, maybe your side business will become your full-time job. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another way to make money online. Making money online through affiliate marketing is successful and profitable. With affiliate marketing, you don't have to produce your own goods or services. Instead, you just advertise others and are paid a fee for each purchase made through your special affiliate link. This means you can earn money by endorsing goods and services you use and trust. As a strategy to increase sales and reach a larger audience, 2023 will likely witness an increase in affiliate programs. At the same time, we can anticipate seeing more influencers and content producers use affiliate marketing to monetize their material and generate passive revenue. Establishing a relationship of trust with your audience and promoting goods that are pertinent and practical to them is essential for affiliate marketing success. To effectively communicate with your audience and meet their requirements, you must thoroughly understand them. You must also be able to provide them with trustworthy advice and relevant insights. There are many tools and platforms available to help you get started if you're considering affiliate marketing as a means to earn money online. You can create a profitable affiliate marketing business that produces a consistent flow of passive revenue with the appropriate strategy and some time and work. Online courses and coaching. Offering coaching services or designing and marketing online courses may be extremely lucrative e-commerce income streams if you have a certain area of expertise or skill set. In recent years, online education and coaching have experienced a meteoric rise in popularity. In 2023, we may anticipate seeing even more individuals use these services to gain new skills and enhance their lives. The beautiful thing about developing and selling online courses is that you can teach others about your knowledge and skills while making money. There are individuals out there who are prepared to pay for your expertise and insights. This is regardless of whether you are an expert in marketing, coding, cuisine, or any other field. In a similar vein, coaching services may be a lucrative online income stream. Many people need direction and assistance in accomplishing their objectives. This is whether you're a life coach, business coach, or another coach. Offering specialized coaching services can help people realize their full potential while generating income. It's critical to be enthusiastic about your subject matter and genuinely wants to assist people if you want to succeed in online teaching or coaching. Also, you must be able to develop coaching programs or high-quality material that truly adds value to your clients. There are many tools and platforms available to help you get started if you're interested in producing and marketing online courses or providing coaching services. You can build a company that makes you money and aids others in reaching their objectives. This is done with the appropriate strategy and hard work. E-commerce. E-commerce is a sector that is expanding quickly and provides countless opportunities for generating money online. E-commerce has enormous potential regardless of whether you're using dropshipping and print-on-demand services or selling products yourself. In 2023, even more people are expected to launch online stores and use platforms like Amazon, Etsy, and their websites to market their products. E-commerce enterprises will grow as more customers purchase online. The opportunity to sell goods without keeping inventory is one of the most appealing features of e-commerce. Dropshipping services, which enable you to fulfill orders without physically stocking and shipping things, make this possible. Print-on-demand services are also gaining popularity since they let you design and market personalized goods without managing to manufacture them. Having a thorough grasp of your target market and being able to provide them with things they're interested in purchasing is essential for e-commerce success. This necessitates thorough preparation and study, as well as the ability to adjust and modify when market trends shift. There are several tools and platforms available to help you create an online store if you're interested. You can create an online store that pays well and gives you the joy of being your own boss. This is done with the appropriate strategy and hard work. That concludes today's internet income tutorial. We really hope you find this material enlightening and useful. Keep in mind that there are plenty of options in the enormous and constantly expanding online market. This is for those who are prepared to put in the time and effort to succeed. There has never been a better moment to start. This is whether you're looking to supplement your income or create a successful online business. So get out there, do something, and realize your online aspirations. For more advice on prospering in the digital age, subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your time and we'll see you in a future video.